Happy morning, all of you. Welcome back in Shri Ganesh Online Education Series. Dear students, today is Tuesday, that is 5th January 2021. Okay, so we are learning chapter number 8, beginning of settled life. Okay, so today we are going to learn point number 8.4, structure of houses. Okay, you can see your points name, structure of houses. Okay, and then to the right side word meanings are given. Okay, so open your textbook. Okay, see first line. The houses at the beginning of the new stone age were made of wattle and daub. Okay, see, the houses at the beginning of the new stone age means in the new stone age houses were made of wattle and daub. So do you know wattle means what and daub means what? So see, wattle's meaning is given, a material for making walls, fences, etc. Okay, a material for making walls or fences. Okay, in bracket with twigs or branches. Okay, means those walls were made with the twigs or branches of tree. Okay, and daub means what? To spread a substance such as paint. To spread a substance such as spread means soil, cow dung, these things they used to mix it. Okay, and they spread it on the wall. Okay, on those wattle. Okay, like a paint. Okay, now see, the walls were screened woven from sticks or bamboo. Those walls were screens woven from sticks and bamboo. It was made with the help of sticks and bamboo. Plastered with mud or cow dung, and those walls were plastered with mud or cow dung. Later, the population of the village settlement grew because food was available in plenty. See, later than the population of the village settlement grew. Population means many people started to live in village. Why? Because they were getting food was available in plenty. Okay, the food was available in plenty means more food was available, so there is no need to roam here and there for the purpose of food. Okay, see, the village settlements became permanent and expanded. So these village settlements became permanent. Okay, and expanded means it was going to become large and large. Okay, still later people began to build a quadrangular houses of sun dried bricks. Okay, still later people began to build quadrangular houses of sun dried bricks. Okay, now quadrangular means what? An object having four edges or sides. In maths you have learned edges. Okay, in English we used to say it sides. Okay, which type of buildings they have built? Quadrangular. Okay, means it has four sides. Okay, and it was made by sun dried bricks. Some houses appear to have had more than one room. Some houses have appear more than one or two room. Okay, the houses were built very close to each other, and these houses were built very close to each other. Regional differences are seen in the style of constructing houses. See, regional differences are seen in the styles of constructing houses depending on the local climate, and it was depending on local climate of that place. Okay, so like this structure of houses is explained. Okay, so what you have to keep in mind, wattle means a material for making wall, fences, etc. In bracket it is given with twigs or branches. Daub means to spread a substance such as paint. Then quadrangular, an object having four edges or sides. Okay, now what is your homework? Today you have to find out only 10 hard words. These three word meanings you have to copy in your notebook, and again 10 hard words you have to find out and copy them thrice in your notebook. And one more instruction, that from next week, from Monday or Tuesday, your class turn will be there, that you have to come in the school to check your second term homework notebook. Okay, so whatever homework teachers are giving, you have to complete it within time, and Monday or Tuesday, as it is instructed, you have to come in the school, okay, in the given time, and at that time you have to check your notebooks. Okay, thank you very much.